In this video, I'm going to show you how to download MySQL on PC or laptop. So the first thing you want to do is go into Google and type in MySQL, and then the first link is from mysql.com, and that's where you want to click. Now once you're in here, you want to go to Downloads up here, and then you want to get a free trial. Okay, you get a 30-day free trial, and then after that you will have to of course pay for the software. But if you just want to test it out, this is how you do it. You click on try free, and then you can either start on free for on OCI, so Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or on AWS. Okay, so on Amazon. I'm going to click on start for free on OCI right here, and as you can see, you will then be required to put in some of your information, and then once you've done that, just verify your email, which is very simple to do. You'll receive a link to your email you want to click on, and you will verify your account, and then you're going to go through the sign up process, set up your password and username and everything. And then once that's done, you'll be able to download MySQL and use it for 30 days for free. And now over here, if you click on Start for free on AWS, it's the exact same thing. As you can see, you will have to go through the account information and email verification process yet again. And once that's done, you can download MySQL, as I said, in both cases, and you can start using it for free for 30 days. After that, they will require you to pay for the software, but you have 30 days to test it out, and if you like it, it's really worth buying.